The security search of Uddhav Thackeray during a chopper visit amid the election season had led to a lot of furor. Politically, specifically Maha Vikas Aghadi has slammed the election commission over that search. Supriya Sule, one of the alliance partners, has said only opposition netas' bags are being checked. Dirty politics ahead of elections. Maha Vikas Aghadi is not happy that Uddhav Thackeray's bags and luggage were being checked. They demanded and asked who were the officials and why were they checking Uddhav Thackeray's bags. Now remember, security may be a part of protocol. It's the high-stake election season. But opposition leaders are saying that it's being done only to opposition netas.
हमारे यहाँ मराठी में कहावत है, रेडी तड़ा। सिर्फ ऑपोजिशन की बैग कैसे चेक होती है? सारे और उद्धव जी की दो दिन आप रोज उद्धव जी का बैग चेक करेंगे और जो सत्ता में उनका कुछ नहीं चेक, वो तो चल ही रहा है सब कुछ। अरे मेरे निर्वाचन क्षेत्र में मैं जब लड़ी थी तो 24 घंटा बैंक चालू थी। देश में कौन सी बैंक 24 घंटा चलती है? भोर में तो पैसा मिला था, उसका क्या हुआ आगे? और आप जो बेचारा खर्च कर रहा है, जिस उद्धव जी की पार्टी तोड़ी, सिंबल लेके गए, वो सब अन्याय उनपे किया और ये भी अभी करेंगे। ये गंदी राजनीति आज महाराष्ट्र में होती है, दुख की बात है। और सिर्फ ऑपोजिशन के ही बैग और हेलीकॉप्टर चेक किए जा रहे हैं।
Vidya joins me on the phone line for the latest on that. Vidya, so clearly the Aghadi leaders are not letting this go. But you tell me, how is this being seen? Because this may as well, by the Election Commission, be a security search that anyone should be okay with.
In fact, that's exactly what the ruling parties have been saying. Though there are no videos per se of those checking, but apparently even the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and all their travel helicopters from which they have travelled, all those have also been checked according to the Mahayuti leaders, and that's one of the reasons why they are raising this huge issue as to why is it that Uddhav Thackeray and these kind of leaders have issues with checking, which is a normal routine thing during elections.
So Vidya will be tracking the latest on that, but opposition leaders continue to maintain, and with this video, asking why are only opposition leaders' bags being checked, while those from the ruling party have said, even though not with video evidence, but they have said their luggage was also checked. But this, remember, is currently the big showdown about whether this is being deliberately done against the opposition leaders.